You know what? How about I make you eat my pie? Come on, Piggy. Eat it. Eat it.
Come on, you two. Quit fighting. Sit down and eat the pies. I'm too sleepy to deal with this malarkey.
Have some buttery potatoes, Obama. Have it. Potatoes everywhere.
Here, have some cherry pie as well.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Come on! Fucking stop it! That's it. If you guys are going to be throwing food, I'm going to as well. Have some...
That's what you get for bringing
Stop
your
it.
own pie.
You're ruining Thanksgiving. Look at this mess. Oh my God, I'm going to shit so hard. How could you guys? This was my last Thanksgiving in the White House, and you ruined it. You ruined it, you boneheads.
Yeah, well, Obama started it by throwing mashed potatoes into my face.
No, you started it by showing your pumpkin face to this Thanksgiving.